ama tuseme tushukue kwa nguvu. Hapana.
As the country grapples with severe drought occasioned by low rainfall, farmers in Gishugu, Kirinyaga, are now reaping big from irrigation farming, which has improved their livelihoods. By tapping into the Kandeki irrigation water project, a 18 million initiative drawing from River Nyamindi, smallholders are flipping the script from 15-bag maize harvests to more lucrative returns from tomatoes and French beans.
To the time when we got this water, we were doing maize. And the maize which we are doing, it meant that it was a guesswork, so to say, because in normal cases, we could get 5 bags of maize in a season. That is in an area like this, half an acre now. That 5 bags could go for about 3,000 per bag. That is just 15,000. But near, since the time I got this water, we are able to do the horticulture. I've done tomatoes and the French beans.
The previous project that we've done, the farmers are capacitated in such a way that from what they sell, something small goes towards engaging an agronomist who helps them in production. Also, something small also goes towards them engaging a plumber, because in such a project to succeed and be sustainable, we need an agronomist who will help the farmers in market access and also growing the right product, and also a plumber who will help them in operation and maintenance, and also a manager who now brings all together for the sustainability of the business case.
Still in agriculture, and with the current annual milk production sitting at 5